This is C sharp experiment number 2, matrix operations overloading. In this, we are overloading the functions addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in matrices. These are the two variables used to hold the matrices that the user inputs. We are using 2 into 2 matrices. These are used to store the values that is obtained after the functions have been executed. This is the first function for matrix operation overloading for addition function. This is the common format: public, static, then the data type, operator is a keyword, then the symbol for the operation, and the objects that we pass. The max is a key variable that we created to store the value. Here, using this loop, these two matrices that the user inputs is added and the value is put into matrix. Then this is returned. The same process repeated here for subtraction. A new matrix is created, subtraction is done on the two given matrices, and then it is returned. Exactly the same in multiplication, and in division we are dividing it by a constant number 2. Now we are checking the equality of the two matrices. Here, public static bool. Instead of int, we are using bool because we are checking the equality and it's true or false, either true or false. Then the matrices are checked, each element is checked, and if all are and a count is maintained, if all the elements, that is the 4 elements of the 2 into 2 matrix is similar, it will return true, else it will return false. Here, not equal to function is used because in C sharp it is essential that if you use equal to comparison operation, that is equal to, we have to also use not equal to. Then coming to the main function, we are creating an object, math object for the matrix class. Then math initialization is just a header which shows that what this function does. Then set values gets the first matrix values from the user. Set value math2 gets the second matrix from the user. Then the two matrices are displayed to the user. Then the functions are called. This calls the addition overloading function and displays the result here. Then the subtraction overloading function and displays the result here. Then multiplication overloading here and the result here, and the division by 2 here and the result here. Then the equality of the matrices are checked here, and the check, a bool value check is returned, and if check is true, that means the matrices are equal, else the matrices are not equal. Then the sum of the matrices elements are found out and displayed. This is set value function used to get the values of the matrix from the user using two loops and normal function. Then get values is to display the functions to the user. Then let's run the program. Here I have given 2 into 2 matrix, that is 2 to 2, all the elements are 2. So after addition it will show 4, after subtraction it will show 0, after multiplication it will show 8, after division it will show 1 because we are dividing by 2. Then the matrices are equal, so after the equality checking it will show they are equal, and the sum of the matrix elements is 8. Thank you.